Hey everyone! So, I've been diving deep into AI tools for our final project, and honestly, it's been a game changer.
Oh, really? I've been curious about that. What exactly are you using AI for?
Well, for my computer science project, I'm using it to help analyze large data sets. Instead of spending weeks writing code from scratch, I can use AI to generate initial algorithms and then refine them. It's like having a coding partner available 24/7.
That's so cool. I'm using AI for my marketing research project. I fed it tons of consumer data, and it helped me identify patterns I would have never spotted on my own. It's incredible for data visualization, too.
Wait, so is AI just doing all the work for you? I'm a bit worried about the ethics of that.
No, it's not like that at all. Think of it more as a sophisticated tool like a calculator or a search engine. You still need to understand the concepts, ask the right questions, and critically evaluate what the AI produces.
Exactly. For my project, the AI gave me a starting point, but I had to verify everything, adjust the code, and make sure it actually solved the problem correctly. It's more about augmentation than replacement.
That makes sense. I guess I've been hesitant because I wasn't sure if using AI would be considered cheating.
Our professors actually encourage it now, as long as we're transparent about how we use it and we understand the output. It's becoming an essential skill in almost every field.
Right. In my marketing class, they told us that companies expect graduates to be familiar with AI tools. It's not about whether we use them, but how effectively we can use them.
So, what are some specific tools you're all using? I want to get started, but I'm not sure where to begin.
I use ChatGPT and Claude for brainstorming and refining my ideas. For coding, GitHub Copilot has been super helpful. It suggests code completions and can even write entire functions based on comments.
For data analysis, I've been using tools that integrate with Python, like some AI-powered libraries for machine learning. And for presentations, there are AI tools that help create visuals and even suggest how to structure your narrative.
I've also been experimenting with AI for literature reviews. Instead of reading hundreds of papers manually, I can use AI to summarize key findings and identify the most relevant sources. Of course, I still read the important ones thoroughly.
That's smart. Time management is huge when you're juggling multiple projects.
Definitely, but I think the key is learning how to prompt the AI effectively. The better your questions, the better the results.
Oh, that's so true. I spent my first week getting really generic responses until I learned to be more specific. Now I include context, specify the format I want, and even tell it what perspective to take.
Yeah, prompt engineering is becoming its own skill. I actually took a workshop on it last month, and it completely changed how I interact with these tools.
Was it offered by the university?
Yeah, the Innovation Lab has been running workshops on AI literacy. They cover everything from basic prompting to understanding AI limitations and biases.
I should sign up for that. I feel like I'm only scratching the surface of what's possible.
You should. They also talk about the ethical considerations, which I think is really important. Like understanding when AI might perpetuate biases or when you need human judgment instead.
That's a good point. I've noticed that AI can sometimes give confident answers that are completely wrong. You really have to fact check everything.
Absolutely. I call it confidently incorrect. The AI doesn't actually know when it's making mistakes, so critical thinking is more important than ever.
So, how do you all balance using AI with developing your own skills? I worry that I might become too dependent on it.
I think it's about using AI for the right tasks. I use it for repetitive work, initial drafts, or exploring ideas. But for the core analysis and creative thinking, that's all me.
Same here. AI is great for speeding up the grunt work, but the insights and conclusions have to come from my own understanding. Otherwise, I wouldn't actually be learning anything.
Plus, professors can usually tell when you've just copied AI output without understanding it. The work lacks depth and personal perspective.
Yeah, and honestly, the most interesting parts of my projects come from where I disagree with or improve upon what the AI suggests. That's where real learning happens.
I love that perspective. So, it's more about collaboration than replacement.
Exactly. And I think that's the future of work, too. It's not going to be humans versus AI, but humans working alongside AI.
That's actually what my thesis is about. I'm researching how AI is changing collaborative workflows in creative industries.
Oh, that sounds fascinating. What have you found so far?
Well, early results show that teams using AI tools are more productive, but only when they maintain strong human oversight and creative direction. The AI handles technical execution, while humans focus on strategy and innovation.
That tracks with my experience. The projects where I've been most successful are the ones where I use AI as a tool within my own creative process, not as a replacement for it.
Do you think universities are doing enough to prepare us for this AI-integrated future?
I think they're trying, but it's happening so fast that curricula can't always keep up. That's why those workshops and innovation labs are so valuable.
True. And I appreciate that more professors are having open conversations about it rather than just banning AI outright.
Yeah, the ban approach never made sense to me. We need to learn how to use these tools responsibly, not pretend they don't exist.
Agreed. It's like when calculators were first introduced and some teachers banned them. Now they're standard tools, and we focus on understanding the math concepts instead.
Great analogy. I think we're in that transition period with AI right now.
So, what advice would you give to someone just starting to use AI for their projects?
Start small. Pick one specific task where AI could help and experiment with it. Don't try to AIify your entire workflow at once.
And be patient with yourself. There's a learning curve, especially with prompting. Your first attempts might not be great, but you'll improve quickly.
Also, always verify the output. Never trust AI blindly, especially for factual information or citations.
And document how you use it. Keep track of your prompts and the AI's responses. It helps you learn what works and also provides transparency if you need to explain your process.
Those are all great tips. I'm feeling much more confident about incorporating AI into my work now.
That's awesome. And remember, we're all learning together. Don't hesitate to ask questions or share what you discover.
Definitely. I've learned so much just from talking with you all today.
Same here. Maybe we should start a study group focused on AI tools and techniques.
I'm in. We could meet weekly and share tips, tools, and challenges we're facing.
That would be so helpful, especially as we're all working on different types of projects. We'd get diverse perspectives.
Perfect. Let's set it up. I think this is going to make our final semester so much more productive.
And more interesting. I'm actually excited about my projects now instead of just stressed.
That's the best outcome. AI should make learning more engaging, not less.
Agreed. Well, I should get back to my project, but this was really helpful. Thanks, everyone.
Same here. See you all at the study group.
Can't wait. Good luck with your projects, everyone.
You two, let's crush this semester with our new AI superpowers.